Hey everyone, welcome to another drawing session. Today, we'll have the Pokemon Bayleef as our subject for this video. Let's use HB pencil for our base sketch. This will be our foundation to make it easier for us to understand our subject. For those who are not familiar with Bayleef, Bayleef is a plant creature having a dinosaur-ish looks. I chose this subject because it has a relatively animal-like features that you can easily determine and apply this method on creating on something that is real, like your pet, an animal you saw on TV, books, and in the zoo. The only difference is that it has a leaf-like accents on his head and neck. Now that we have our base sketch, we will now refine this by sketching the details. Take note that we are doing this on a layer using pixel persona. I would encourage you to do sketching rather than tracing your reference. I don't have anything against tracing. You can trace all you want. If this will be your process in terms of studying your subject, then it's good. But if we do sketch, we develop our observation and understanding skills. Making an output with our own drawing perception will bring out your own style. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and you can check my other videos, simple drawing tutorials for everyone who's starting to draw digitally or traditionally. Now back to our drawing. We now select vector persona and make vector curves to color our sketch. We use the pen tool to create the curve to form our subject's body. Add the fill and stroke. Make sure to place the layer curve under our sketch layer so we can use our sketch as our guide. Now we add the head curve. Take note that the head curve layer is above the body curve layer. This will cover up the neck on the body layer, creating a shape that will make the head and body as one. Do the same with the legs. The right front leg should be at the bottom of the body layer. Now the left front leg will be above the body layer. Same with the left hind legs. You can see if the hind legs is below the body layer, it won't fit the form of our illustration. And the tail should be at the bottom of the body layer. I hope you can follow the process as we make the other details. Understanding layer arrangement is very important, not just in Affinity Designer but with every digital drawing softwares. We need to understand what layer should be above and what layer should be at the bottom. This leaf accent on his head. The leaf stalk should be above the head layer, but should be at the bottom of the big leaf layer. Yes, it's not that difficult to understand. As we continue to make our leaf shape, we can use the Geometry tab where we can subtract curves instead of following the whole sketch. Make sure that as you subtract, we position the shape you wish to subtract above the shape to be subtracted from. This will cut the top shape out of the bottom shape. Now we adjust our strokes to create line values using the stroke pressure curve. Now we make the eyes. Instead of using the pen tool, we are going to use the shape tool to create the curve. Position the curve and adjust the nodes. Duplicate the curve for the eye details. Adjust and drag it inside the eye layer. This will restrict the eye details visibility to other layers and you won't be needing to pen tool everything. Then add the necessary fill. After that, let's make the eye more interesting by creating a gradient on it, and then some light glare. Remember to place your layer on the right position. Now select all the eye detail and group it. Make a duplicate and flip it using the transform tool and then adjust. Now in regards with the stroke option, tap on advance and make the cap node and join node sharp or smooth. Let's go back to the leaf accent. I wanted the tip of the leaf to be sharp and pointed. To do this, we adjust the metric limit of the stroke option to maximum. And there you have it. We're done with arranging the shapes and forming our subject. Join me in our part 2 for more detailing and tips to improve your illustration. If this video helped you out in any way, click on the like button and subscribing will be very much appreciated.